Hi, my name is Iris Perry, and this is my API presentation for my Intro to Web Development class, INF 250. So the API that I chose to go over was the NASA's Astronomy Picture of the Day API. But first, let's go over what an API is and what it does. And this is from redhat.com. What is an API? It stands for Application Programming Interface, which is a set of definitions and protocols for building and integrating application software. So basically, APIs, you create a call to them, and that call is answered by the service that you're calling to, and they send back information, images, whatever. Specifically with NASA's API, the APOD call returns a JSON object containing an image or video, date, explanation, and additional metadata. And they use a get HTTP request method to get the data from the NASA server. And you can use this to get their astronomy picture of the day photo on your website, on your own website. It lets your website and product communicate with other products and services without having to know how they're implemented. They can be thought of as contracts. If one party sends a remote request that is structured in a particular way, then the other party's software will respond. APIs help simplify how developers integrate new application components into an existing architecture. NASA's Astronomy Picture of the Day website is one of the most popular websites across all federal agencies. Their website even says on the Open API that it has the popular appeal of a Justin Bieber video, which I found funny. They feature a new astronomy picture every day, along with a brief explanation that is written by a professional astronomer. For example, today's photo for Astronomy Picture of the Day is this really cool photo of an auroral storm over Lapland. And you can use their API to get this picture, plus like the explanation and who took it and like the copyright and stuff. You can get that put onto your website, which is really cool. If you were creating like an astronomy website or something like that, then you would have cool new pictures every day. Let's see. There's not much to their API. It just generates a new astronomy picture every day. You can even go back on their dates. You can set dates for it and get previous pictures of astronomy, of their astronomy pictures. And then it's a good API to start with. I researched this, and there are a lot of like tutorial videos on YouTube on how to implement APIs and stuff, and a lot of them use like JavaScript and like stuff like that. So I haven't learned JavaScript yet, so wasn't exactly sure how to implement them like using like actually in the code. But from what I can tell, this is a good API to begin with when you first begin using APIs because it's really simple and easy to implement. And that's really it. I mean, it makes a call to the server and the server sends back the picture. And that's about it. Thanks for listening.